Troubleshooting Raycon Earbuds charging issues.
Hey there! If you're having trouble charging your Raycon earbuds, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk through some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the issue. Let's dive right in.
Are the charging contacts clean?
Earbuds can accumulate dirt, sweat, and other residues over time, which might affect the charging process. 1. Inspect the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the charging case. If they appear dirty or corroded, it might be preventing a good connection. 2. Gently clean the contacts using a soft cloth or cotton swab slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol. 3. Let them dry completely before attempting to charge again.
Is your charging cable working?
Sometimes, the issue isn't with the earbuds, but with the accessories. 1. Make sure you're using the official charging cable that came with your Raycons. 2. Try a different USB port or a different charging adapter. 3. If possible, test the cable with another device to see if it charges properly.
Is your charging case fully charged?
Your charging case needs to have power in order to charge the earbuds. 1. Plug in the charging case without the earbuds inside. Look for any indicator lights that show the case is charging. 2. If the case isn't charging, refer back to the previous section and check the cable and adapter.
Are the earbuds seated properly?
For earbuds to charge, they need to be seated properly in their case. 1. Ensure the earbuds are correctly placed in the charging case. They should fit snugly without any obstruction. 2. Check for any debris inside the case that might be preventing a proper fit. Alright, we've covered some basic troubleshooting steps to get your Raycon earbuds charging again. Remember, if all else fails, it might be worth reaching out to Raycon's customer support for further assistance. We hope this guide was helpful and gets you back to enjoying your tunes in no time.